Surface area of cuboid and cube. Surface area of cuboid is the sum of the areas of all its 6 rectangular faces. Here, the diagram shows a cuboid with length equal to L units, breadth equal to B units, and height equal to H units. Therefore, the surface area of the cuboid is equal to sum of areas of all its 6 faces. 2 times LB plus LH plus BH square units. Surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 times LB plus LH plus BH. Area of 4 walls. The adjoining diagram 6 times length of an edge cubic units. Cylinder. Surface area and volume of cylinder. Triangular prism. Lateral surface area and coordinate system. Let us take 2 perpendicular straight lines, one horizontal vertical on a plane. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, one of the most important theorems. Coordinate system. Let us take 2 perpendicular straight lines, one horizontal and the other vertical on a plane.